Hi, I'm Alexander from René of Paris. Today I'm joined with the amazing hairstyle, Clara from the Orchid Collection. So this colour, let me just tell you about the colour first before I style her up. This is snowy peach. So gorgeous peachy kind of, like a blonde, but without that pink extra, that peachness, that snowy peach. Gorgeous colour, gorgeous style. And we've had a lot of really positive, interesting feedback about Clara. So somebody had asked me to do a little bit of styling and I thought I would. So I thought, first off what I'm doing is I'm using the ROP Wig Lift Comb. Okay, so it's one of my favourite combs. You see I can kind of comb the wig in every different direction. The teeth aren't so fine together that it will create and pull the curl out and damage it. So first off when I'm styling, I'm just coming in and I want to comb Clara through and potentially off the face. So I'm imagining a little quick off the face kind of updo here, okay? So first I've got all of the knots out of Clara's and I'm just going to take some bobby pins and I'm going to get her up and really work with this texture. Okay. Now what I have, just one product with me. I have the Protecting Holding Spray from ROP, which is probably in my top 5 favourite hairsprays in the world, which is a big thing for me to say really. Why do I like it so much? Well, I like the fact it's water soluble, which means it's not going to it's not going to be too sticky, and if it does get too sticky, the water will just take it out, so you don't need clarifying shampoos as such. So I really like that one. So what I'm doing here, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm just kind of taking the hair up and kind of gathering it up right now to work the texture. So it's all about texture is this little hairstyle. And bearing in mind Clara is only a short style, so we're kind of giving the illusion of a lot of extra hair. Look at that, guys. Looks fab. Okay. So see what I'm doing here, guys? Just really lifting the hair up, letting the hair do the work, letting the hair do the, let the texture come in from the actual wig, not overworking it too much. Just going to take her off the head here so you can see how we're working this. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, ladies and gentlemen, look, is I'm going to do a twisted over back. So take one section like this, look, and then this section over like this. And just put a little twist in this area. I've heard too many times that you cannot do up styling on shorter styles, and it's just not true. See that little crossover there? And see I'm pulling a bit of hair out here to just help with that texture. And see what I'm doing here, look, ladies and gents, just pulling that hair down a little bit here so you don't see the base and the neckline of the wig so much. Right, now we've got all of the hair up. That's quite important. So that's up. So now we need to tidy her up, okay? So first off, putting a little bit of the spray into this top area. Go back over here. So in one of my previous videos, I showed how to transfer an up style from a mannequin onto a person. My friend Alice was here when we did that style. So if you're thinking, oh, well, that's fine, how do I get this on my head? Please go look at that video because it's really helpful. Alice was brilliant to have help. Look how long this is looking, guys. Actually, and look, I've just pulled that extra little bit down because I think it looks really pretty. So this is actually like a bit of a Kim Basinger, or Basinger as some people call that. It's like an up style that she has worn many times. Very fashionable still. These look at that, how that just fell out. Look really quite cool. But you know, very, very on trend, very fashionable, textured hair, big hair, very beautiful. See how that's coming together, guys? Very effortlessly done. Working that fringe. Just going to put a bit of lift in that fringe a little bit. You see? And then probably going to lift this area a little bit. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll just put a holding pin in there for now. And then what I do, ladies and gentlemen, with my fingers, just run my fingers over and help touch the hair in certain areas just to give a bit of a finish. Okay. So we're now coming to almost the end of this wonderful little bit of effortless upstyling with Clara. Now, I love hair like this. Pretty, undone, feminine, beautiful, and flattering. What do you think, guys? And what do you think to Clara as a wig, ladies and gentlemen? And I think she's amazing. I think she's a really gorgeous, gorgeous wig. I think she's beautiful. Love the colour Snowy Peach. Would you wear this? So, and now what I do is when I've finished any kind of upstyling work, I just go around her a little bit, make sure she's nice, 360. And here she is, ladies and gentlemen. Clara, finished. Oh, look at that. Little gold pin, do you see this one here? Gold pin. So sometimes you can put those pins in while your hair's spraying it to make sure that they stay in place. So that's Clara. She's only a bob, a little curly wavy bob done into an up style. She looks like she's got so much more hair, doesn't she? What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Do you like this Clara? Would you wear it yourself? Let us know and we'll hear from you next time. So from me, everybody here at René of Paris and Clara, see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.